Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is your boy Flo from Cap, and today we're going to be doing something special to my C8 Audi A6. And we're going to be starting out with the first mod we recommend everybody should do, and that's a carbon fiber spoiler. So we offer two dry carbon spoilers, the V2 and the V3, and we're going to be talking about the differences between the two and why they are the best quality spoilers on the market. So our V2 dry carbon spoiler has a slim profile, which is what I personally like, and our V3 has a wider profile with a much more aggressive look. Now, what I personally love about this as a first mod is that it's completely reversible. You don't need to screw anything in. All you need is some good old 3M tape, which is provided with your order. So before we start with the 3M tape, we're just gonna wipe down the back of the spoiler, because if you touched it with your hands, most likely it'll have your fingerprints on it. So let's just give it a clean wipe down. And now we're ready. So now we're gonna start laying the 3M tape, and we're gonna start with the bottom corner, and we're gonna make sure that there's a little bit of a gap between the complete bottom of the spoiler and the tape. And you're just gonna choose these pressure points to make sure that the tape is laid out properly. And you're gonna do this across the whole spoiler. So as we're doing the top part, the tape goes around the curve to match it. You wanna make sure that you leave some space, because if the tape goes on the actual spoiler, it might push it up, and we want to avoid that. Now, when you're getting ready to put the spoiler, it's going to stick. So if you put it in wrong, you gotta pull it out right away, like as quickly as possible. And you should put your two fingers on the edge of the trunk so you get the same gap, so you can measure it as you're putting down.